on second thought, I am going to be able to catch this little guy probably. Right here in my net. Looks like he got a broken wing. Or something. He's not doing well though. I don't even know what I'll do if I catch him. He's a little harder to catch than he looks. He knows how to use this tree as a barrier. I can scare him away from the tree. That'll be my best chance. Okay, well now he's in my net. But you know what to do with him, I don't know. And now he's back out again. Poor little fella got pretty hurt, looks like. Pretty able-bodied other than the fact that he can't fly. Anyway, see what I can do to get him into this bucket here I've got.